Welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Rhonda. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and let me adjust this. I thank you so much for stopping by and leaving me your comments. It really means so much to me. I have my glossy box. It always comes in this box and you tear the tab, and this month we got the really cool boxes. I actually had canceled this box last month, and I saw these really cool boxes they were given this month, and I just thought I just love the box. So when I went to look, they did, when you go look, they give you, I think it's 20% off, which equals something like $6 the way they figure it. So it makes it, the first one ends up being, I think it was $16, but because I give reviews on there, it asked me if I wanted to use my $6 and whatever it was cents on this box, so I said yes. So I got this box for like $10. So I went ahead and did it. I was glad, and I really wanted, I'd love to have the other one, the blue one too. So look at that. That would just really make nice, like in the beauty room or something, that I'm hoping to get done here one day soon. And these boxes, if you've never seen them, they have really, these boxes are the kind of boxes that are so nice and thick that you actually feel guilty for throwing away. They're just so nice. Thank you. And it always comes like this, where you have the little, whatever it is. This one is a, I don't want it sharpened, baby. This one is a Bright Sellers, okay, it's a wine coupon, and then it has this that tells about the product. Here's the other one. See how cute, pretty they are? I like the navy blue too. I would like to have both of those. I might have to look at seeing if somebody else got it. I'm not going to subscribe to another box and take the chance that I might get this same one, but I might see if somebody else has that blue box that they're not wanting, because I would like to put those on a shelf together. I'm still designing my makeup room. I'm still building my makeup room, but I'm actually have, like I said, I have the other room that I'm working on, just a small area that's will do for now. So it always comes, you see it, they make it to where it matches a pretty lavender bow, and it comes with a little sticker here. It all comes, so really nice. The presentation they give is really nice. I don't know that, I think it retails, I mean, I think the box is $21 regular price, and I don't, some boxes I would pay that for, but as a whole, that's why I canceled it. I just really didn't feel like as a whole this box was worth $21. But if they give you the money off for the first box, it's worth it, because when you could cancel it right away, you don't have to keep getting it to get your first box to try it out. I think it's worth it.
Yep.
So here's the little paper that it comes with, and the first thing I pull out is this. I mean, it's a nice size sample. It is, and the Generation Clay is good, is a good product. And, well, I was gonna say it was safety sealed, but the safety seal is kind of just hanging there, and the stuff is kind of smooshed out, but I think that was just a fluke. I think it would still be okay. What do y'all think? I think that would still be okay. I think it just somehow, maybe it got squeezed, and it doesn't look like it's been actually messed with. So let's see what that says. That is the Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask, packed with superfruit, Davidson plum, desert lime, bilberry, and aloe vera. This gentle version of the skin exfoliating alpha hydroxy acid rejuvenates dull, tired skin while lightening dark circles and pigmentation. And let's see, a full size retails for $21.50, and the deluxe size, which is this one, retails for $14.44. And then I got this Aurora Earth Harbor Ampule. I'm actually not sure how you say that word. I know what it is, but that's how I say it. If I'm wrong, let me know. It's full of sea greens, cannabis, sativa, hemp oil. Just a minute, Levi. And grapeseed oil. This therapeutic serum will energize and soothe the skin while inducing dewy luminous. Say goodbye to redness, dullness, and irritation. This is a full size and it retails for $32.
That's pretty cheap. Pretty expensive if it was original.
And there is the packaging. It is glass. I'll have to try this one soon too. And he's picking up my brushes. I accidentally dropped my brush case, my brush cup, and all over the floor, and he's picking them up for me.
But they're just hard.
So then the next thing I got is this Stargazing Blush Duo from the Beauty Crop. It's a Stargazing Blush Duo. Dazzle and enhance your complexion with this magical duo, created to give your skin a velvety smooth finish. This long-wearing formula blends seamlessly for that soft focus radiance. This retails for $23, and look how cute, it's in the same kind of purple packaging, lavender packaging, and I'm sure that's probably the way it's supposed to come. Maybe that's why they chose it for this box. I don't know, because it matches. And okay, no mirror, that's okay. And look at the pretty colors. Let's see. Here's, I guess, a blush. And let's see, I didn't wash my... Oh, that is much prettier than it looked. Okay, so I think they're both blushes. I did not think to... I'm trying to rush through here and get as many videos as I can. Like I said in the other video, I've been sick and I am still not feeling the best, so I'm trying to get this stuff done so I have enough videos at least for a few days till I get completely better. The next item is the Loose Translucent Setting Powder from Ciate London. Finish off your makeup masterpiece with this finely milled setting powder. Ultra blendable and lightweight. Buff effortlessly onto your skin without any cakiness or creases for long-lasting wear. This retails... Let's see, this is a deluxe sample and it retails for $18.98, and the full size retails for $22. So there is that. And it's a good size there. I'll have to try this out. I think I've tried this one time before, but it was a really tiny little package that was kind of hard to get your brush in, but pretty sure it was the same thing, but it was like super tiny. And the next thing, it's not on here, and on here is a sheet mask, but I didn't get the sheet mask. The sheet mask that was in here retails for $9, but I got this lip scrub, polishing and hydrating lip scrub. This is brown sugar. I don't know if that's the name of it or what, but oh no, here it is on the front. Tree Hut Sugar Lips, and it is sealed. the cute little packaging. I will probably go ahead and open it because I might go ahead and use it tonight. Here's what that looks like. Really pretty. I mean, really cool looking. The packaging is really pretty. So that is what I got. Again, I honestly don't think this is a $21 bag. I would not pay $21, but like I said, I paid, I think it was 10 something, because your first one you get $5 or $6 off. And like I said, I had already done reviews from past boxes and I had $6 and something credit, so it was like 10 something. So for what would have been 21 that I was charged 10 for, it was the Ciate London translucent powder, the blush duo stargazing, the Tree Hut sugar lips, the Generation Clay brightening clay powder, the Earth Harbor Aurora superfood, and I think that is it. So just going on that, I'm not sure how much that sugar scrub was, but just guessing. Let's see, I want to see how much. Okay, the Stargazing Blush Duo was $23. I'm just going to say the gel mask being $9 and give them the credit for that, even though I got the sugar scrub, because I don't know how much the sugar scrub is. The Aurora Superfood Luminous was $32. The Generation Clay Mask is $14.44, and the Ciate London powder was $18.98. So it's $97.42. So the value is there. I mean, if you want to consider it that, I just personally, when you can get boxycharm and get all 5 full-size items for just a few dollars more, it's just kind of up in the air for me, because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. One is a full size. No, 2 is a full size. The blush is a full size. I don't know if this is considered a full size. Probably so, because lip scrubs usually are teeny tiny. But I mean, see, that is what comes in the box. And I mean, the presentation's really beautiful, and if I had plenty of money to spare, I would not hesitate. But considering I don't have plenty of money to spare, that's why I canceled the box. But when I saw that I could get it for $10, I went for it. I will probably look for reviews on next month's, and if I can't find any, or they don't look just really great, I will probably go ahead and cancel again, just because I just think $21 is a lot of money for 1 or 2 full-size items and the rest samples. So there we go. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.